Okay, so hello and welcome back to Goomedes Coins and Banknotes, and today we are looking at 2013 20-cent coins. So basically you have these 20-cent coins and you're not too sure what the value is. That's basically all people care about, is the value of the coins. Most people are not really caring about to collect the coin. They just want to see how much money they get. So you get these coins in your change. So the first one is a commemorative one. And the second one is just the standard circulating coin. So this is the platypus coin. So the platypus coin, pretty much, unless it's uncirculated, it's just face value. There is a mintage of 43,900,000. And there is the baby sets, 18,000. And so, there is also the dot baby proof sets, but proof coins are actually separate. So these were not issued in just a standard uncirculating coin set. That would be this coin, which was issued. This one was also not issued in the uncirculated coin set, so none of these are in the uncirculated coin set. They had a colorized version of this 20-cent coin, which is a bit different. So you can get these in PNCs, the Canberra. And the PNC is pretty easy to get, probably about $5 to $6. And also you can get them in, there's a PNC overprinted version. It's about 7,000 PNCs. So, and the mintage of this coin for circulation is 6.2 million. So you're not gonna find it hard to get. So this celebrates the centenary of Canberra. Although what we're looking at here is the map of the current Parliament House. So that's the Parliament House there. Then we go on the other side, we've got a triangle and we have roundabouts. This roundabout doesn't exist anymore. It was converted into a tunnel or a bridge going over this way. So that's a bridge, and under here we have an underpass. An underpass is not a bypass. It doesn't go over, it goes under. And then we have on the other side, we just have the standard effigy of Ian Rank Broadley, portrait of Elizabeth II. So do I get many of these commemorative coins? No, not really. This is the only one I've ever gotten. As you can see, it's not in the greatest shape. It's in a circulated grade, probably extremely fine. If it was very fine, you'd actually lose a lot of detail on the hair and the crown. But this coin, if you get it in change, you're going to get it as a 20-cent coin. Okay, so here we have the Numistar. You've got 43,900,000 with 2013. And here we have the uncirculated baby set, proof set, got a wedding set, and that's basically it. The commemorative one, so centenary of Canberra, it's a normal specifications, 11.31 grams, 28.52 millimeters, 2 millimeters thick, reeded. The design is Alexandra Static, and she designs quite a nice set of coins. And here's the PNC, which you can pick up. So these retail for $16. You're going to see why I don't purchase these as an investment myself. Okay, 6.2 million, 7,000 PNC. Okay, just for your information, this is the 2013 coin set, and the 20-cent coin in this one is the colorized version. So these photos are not that good. Maybe this one's better, but it does look a bit proofy, and it does reflect color. It's probably a magnetic reflection. So okay, the commemorative coin itself, these are all sold values. I'm not going to show any unsold values, so you can pick a good one up for $2. Most of them are around about $4-5 mark, but if you really want an uncirculated coin, I recommend getting these PNCs. So we've got $13 there, got $8, so that doesn't That includes postage, so I'll take about $2 off that. This postage is probably a bit high for that. $6. $2.50 just by itself. $6 as well. $7. You can put these in there in an envelope for about about $7, including the 15% eBay charges for postage for a track letter. And you got so I would actually get one of these, not one of these. Although they are a bit cheaper, this one just looks a bit prettier. And basically that is it. Or you can actually get a whole bulk lot. So this, ever since 2016, so for about 10 years, the Royal Australian Mint has been focusing on $1 and $2 coins, not the 20-cent coin, because it probably doesn't make as much money from those type of coins. Okay, so 2013, what happened? Ita Buttrose was Australian of the Year. Prime Minister Julie Gillard, Kevin Rudd, and Tony Abbott. So we had 3 prime ministers. One because one was overthrown, the other one because of an election. Okay, anything happen? Heat wave? Yeah, not. They do occur. Nothing really important. Blah, 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 blah. Not that I can actually think of, so. Then Liberal Party. No. Okay. Muruwari Republic declares independence from Australia. I have no idea. Okay. 81 fair. Wow. Claims a fair chunk of territory. I'll need to look that up later. Okay, so we got funding for schools. As they should. Fair Work announces a wage increase. That happens every year. Interest rates. I can't see any. I'm not going to read everything, so there's probably nothing really that important. What's our population anyway? Births and deaths. Population was. Well, usually there's a population here. Oh well. Okay, for summary, 2013 had 2 coins issued for circulation. We had the General Platypus 20-cent coin and this commemorative coin celebrating the centenary of Canberra. The centenary of Canberra is the one you can sell for probably $2.50 to $5 in circulated grade, or you can get the PNC for $5 to $10. The Platypus coin, because of the high mintage, is really, for me, not worth collecting. Although, getting them in uncirculated grade is probably not that hard either. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time, and take care.